This is Pioneer's DEH-S1100UB. This is an in-dash 1-DIN AM/FM CD receiver with USB and auxiliary input. The DEH-S1100UB is designed to work with your Android phone and Pioneer's ARC app. It can play back MP3 and FLAC files from USB. The DEH-S1100UB includes a wireless remote control. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay. First up, we have the wire harness. Now this is used to connect power and ground and speakers and all of your electrical connections to the vehicle. Next up, we have some 1-DIN radio removal tools and some install screws. Some install screws there. Next, we have the wireless remote control. There's the wireless remote control. That's included in the box. We also have the quick start guide. There's the quick start guide. And be sure to download a complete copy of the owner's manual from pioneerelectronics.com. And finally, there is the warranty card. Okay, let's pull the radio up out of the box. There we go. The front panel of the DEH-S1100UB has a large rotary volume control here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. Radio station presets are across the bottom. The auxiliary port is here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC files from a USB thumb drive. And of course, detachable face security. On the back panel of the DEH-S1100UB, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. And here is one set of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers for full range or subwoofer output. And that is Pioneer's DEH-S1100UB, ARC app compatible in-dash receiver, and what's in the box.